Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening personalization so Windows knows what to change. Right-click the desktop and select Personalize, then pick Colors on the left. Once there, you need to decide whether to use an accent color or a custom color. Choose one in the grid or click Custom to mix. Turn on Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. This applies the chosen color. Once done, the taskbar becomes live with the hue you selected, so you can preview immediately. Now refine how the color appears by selecting an overall mode. Light, dark, or custom affects contrast and readability, so pick what makes icons clear. Next, choose an accent color from the palette or click Custom to enter a hex value. This ensures brand or personal consistency. Make sure to toggle transparency effects if you want depth on the taskbar. It slightly blends with the desktop. Once set, confirm the color shows correctly. If not, revisit Finish by closing settings. Changes are usually immediate, but if the taskbar fails to update, restart Windows Explorer in Task Manager. That forces the UI to refresh. If issues persist, make sure your system is up to date and no third-party theme software is overriding colors. Also check high contrast or accessibility options because they can block accent colors. If you still see problems, reboot once more. This resolves most caching or driver hiccups and gives you the final colored taskbar you wanted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.